Now it's 7 a.m. but 8. Plano ko mag-jogging and I'm gonna use this. It's the 360 Go Ultra. My go-to camera for vlogging. So come join, run with me today. This is using my Go Ultra. Kung may magnetic lace, this is more stable. Target ko lang is 30 minutes, but so we'll just target 5 kilometers. That's already 31 minutes. 35 minutes. Let's finish this. Let's do a protein. Maybe protein after the routine. Yeah. Adobo. I plan to go sa other mall. I dedicate all my mornings for my fitness. I just have a quick stop in the house first to just get the protein and a little bit of food, and then we'll go there, come back here later, and at night I'll do work. I'm on a bike, so let's try this. Yesterday, wala akong kakape kagapon. The ones that I like na coffee. Kaya wala naging ko budget. Today, I make time for it. Gano'n siya budget. So, I'm gonna bike my way there to this area of mine. Pero we'll try there. We'll try to get there. Because I want to try my action camera on an action adventure using this bike. But of course, I have to be safe. Safety first. So, stop there. Later, if I'm on the road, I will have to focus. Na right now, ari pa lang ko sa park. So, I can still have control of it. I can still use one hand. I can still control the movement of the bike. Pero later, I will go out of this park and I will be on the side of the road. So, that is more safety first. Okay? See you. See you in the other side of the world. Wish me lang kalayo wala sang i-bike-on ko, pero sige lang, kaya tani rin ako sa ini nga bike lane that will lead me to Waterway Mall. We used to live here before. It's been very familiar na sa akin. And I'll show you around this beautiful place. I'll show you this beautiful trail. Let's go! Ito yung start ng bike lane. Napakaganda. I was so familiar of this place because we lived here before. I wanted to show you until the end of this bike lane nga. But unfortunately, my camera just suddenly shut off kasi wala na siya sang SD card. Full na ang SD card ko. I hate it. But anyway, I enjoy my time here. There is still more to see, nice views ahead of this. But yes, it's another day lang naman to show you around and just to make you feel how beautiful this place is, how safe it is to bike here, and yeah, just easy come and go. So this place really promote fitness and active lifestyle to people. So yay, let's do this again next time. I'm happy to bring you around. Bye.